How often do I need a coolant flush? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So first of all, when we talk about a coolant flush, there could be other terms, antifreeze, radiator fluid, that kind of stuff. But I want you to understand that you can talk to 10 different technicians and get 10 different answers. There are different types of coolant, so different lengths on servicing, but most of the modern day stuff, I want to just caution you because you might see on your label 150,000 miles, but in the fine print, it might say every 5 years. Here's kind of what I suggest, and the reason I suggest this is because probably the #1 expense to my clients is cooling system failures that probably could have either been prevented or prolonged if those flushes on the cooling system happened a little more often. So first of all, on most stuff at this point, I think the first 5 years or about 50,000 miles that the car's in service, you're good. Then you flush it, and then after that, it's about every 3 years or 36,000 miles, because we're never gonna get it like it came off the line at the factory. Some people are gonna say that's too often, but I'm telling you, this will help you in the long run. So that's my recommendation. Hope this has been informational to you. Till next time, safe travels and blessings to you.